How is the magnetic field at a point related to the magnetic field lines? A. It is independent of the lines. B. It is tangential to the lines. C. It is perpendicular to the lines. D. It is parallel to the lines. The correct answer is B. It is tangential to the lines. What is the position of the image when an object is far away, at infinity, from a concave mirror? A. At the pole. B. Between F and the pole. C. At the center of curvature. D. At the principal focus F. The correct answer is D. At the principal focus F. What is a common application for benzoic acids? A. Cleaning agent. B. Food preservation. C. Paint removal. D. Electrical insulation. The correct answer is B. Food preservation. What is the chemical formula for powdered lime? A. CaSO4. B. CaO. C. CaCO3. D. CaOH. The correct answer is B. CaO. How many electrons would an atom gain to form an anion if it needs to complete its octet? A. 2. B. Lose 2. Seize 1. D. Lose 1. The correct answer is C. 1. Which of these space agencies reached Mars before ISRO? A. Roscosmos. B. CNSA. C. Jaksha. D. European Space Agency. The correct answer is D. European Space Agency. What type of gas is LPG categorized as? A. A noble gas. B. A halogen gas. C. An inert gas. D. A hydrocarbon gas. The correct answer is D. A hydrocarbon gas. Which of the following is an example of biodegradable waste mentioned in the text? A. Leftover food. B. Metal cans. C. Glass jars. D. Plastic bottles. The correct answer is A. Leftover food. In rockets, why is oxygen availability reduced as they go high in the atmosphere? A. Gravity increases. B. Oxygen becomes less available. C. Air pressure increases. D. Oxygen is consumed quickly. The correct answer is B. Oxygen becomes less available. What describes two or more equal or unequal forces acting along the same direction parallel to each other? A. Unlike parallel forces. B. Non-coplanar forces. C. Parallel forces. D. Antiparallel forces. The correct answer is C. Parallel forces. What is one benefit of the law of gravitation mentioned? A. Predicting volcanic eruptions. B. Discovering new stars and planets. C. Measuring the age of the universe. D. Calculating the density of elements. The correct answer is B. Discovering new stars and planets. What phenomenon is observed when a colloidal solution is a cone? A. Evaporation. B. Tyndall effect. C. Precipitation. D. Dissolution. The correct answer is B. Tyndall effect. What is the width of each time zone in degrees longitude? A. 15 degrees. B. 25 degrees. C. 10 degrees. D. 20 degrees. The correct answer is A. 15 degrees. How are some pathogens that cause sexually transmitted diseases transmitted? A. By contaminated food. B. By sexual contact. C. By airborne particles. D. By casual physical contact. The correct answer is B. By sexual contact. DNA fingerprinting relies on the identification of what type of DNA sequences? A. Mutated. B. Repetitive. C. Polymorphic. D. Single-stranded. The correct answer is B. Repetitive. What style of game does Tux Math utilize for learning arithmetic? A. Board game. B. Text-based adventure. C. Role-playing game. D. Arcade style. The correct answer is D. Arcade style. What is another name for the Goldilocks zone? A. The red dwarf zone. B. The cryogenic zone. C. The habitable zone. D. The asteroid belt. The correct answer is C. The habitable zone. What is the typical unit for the power of a lens? A. Radians. B. Meters. C. Centimeters. D. Diopters. The correct answer is D. Diopters. After clicking the Format Page option, what is the next step if the Page tab is not visible? A. Click the Default tab. B. Click the Orientation tab. C. Click the Paper Size tab. D. Click the Page tab. The correct answer is D. Click the Page tab. Which of the following is explicitly listed as a nonpolar solvent? A. Ammonia. B. Ethanol. C. Turpentine. D. Water. The correct answer is C. Turpentine. What is the process by which water is lost from plants? A. Osmosis. B. Transpiration. C. Translocation. D. Imbibition. The correct answer is B. Transpiration. What action is recommended to create a new project in Scratch? A. Click File New. B. Click Edit Undo. C. Click File Save. D. Click View Zoom. The correct answer is A. Click File New. What process involves the application of a metal coating onto another surface using an electric current? A. Corrosion prevention. B. Hyperthyroidism treatment. C. Fingerprint analysis. D. Electroplating. The correct answer is D. Electroplating. When heat is supplied to a liquid in a container, part of the heat is used to expand what? A. The measurement instrument. B. The air above the liquid. C. The surrounding environment. D. The container. The correct answer is D. The container. What does magnesium hydroxide neutralize in the stomach and intestine? A. Sodium bicarbonate. B. Lactic acid. C. Sulfuric acid. D. HCl. The correct answer is D. HCl. Which synthetic fiber is classified as a polyester? A. Nylon. B. Rayon. C. Cotton. D. Polyester. The correct answer is D. Polyester. What does velocity indicate in addition to speed? A. Direction. B. Acceleration. C. Displacement. D. Distance. The correct answer is A. Direction. How does an electric eel use the electric current it produces? A. To regulate body temperature. B. To navigate. C. To safeguard itself and catch food. D. To communicate. The correct answer is C. To safeguard itself and catch food. What characteristic did the newly discovered elements possess? A. They only existed as liquids. B. They all had identical properties. C. They were exclusively noble gases. D. They were found to have different properties. The correct answer is D. They were found to have different properties. What sign is used to indicate a temperature below the freezing point of water? A. X. B plus. C is equal to. D. The correct answer is D. How did you score?